Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Huawei P30 Pro mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. Here we are using the heating pad to remove the back cover. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic cup pry tool and gently cut the adhesive. Be gentle in this process. Now, take out the back cover and then remove the board bracket with the wireless pad by undoing 9 screws. Next, unplug the battery connector. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working front camera from the board. Next, take out the rubber bracket. Next, disconnect both wide and depth camera connector plugs. Next, pull out the shield covering the connector. Next, disconnect the ultra-wide connector plug. Next, disconnect the telephoto camera connector plug. Next, gently pull out both camera modules from the board. And also, it is possible to take out the depth camera from the camera module. Next, select the required not working camera and place the new one on the board. First, secure the telephoto camera module by connecting the plug. Next, place the main camera module and secure all 3 plugs to the board. Next, secure the shield and the rubber bracket. Next, place and secure the new front camera to the board. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, place the board bracket with the wireless pad by adding 9 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to fasten the back cover. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tighten the back cover. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.